Bullish Bitcoin Cash BCH cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1 to $108.94 and $294.66 by 2030. Market examiners accept BCH could reach $862.51 by 2025. Negative Bitcoin Cash market cost expectation for 2023 is $197.14. Bitcoin Cash BCH presentation. One of the most famous forks of the first Bitcoin network is Bitcoin Cash. The thought for the cryptographic money was propelled by misery with where Bitcoin was taking, which was away from Satoshi Nakamoto's unique arrangement for it to work as a computerized cash. The making of Bitcoin Cash, what works more like a money than a store of significant worth, lighted a wild debate between defenders of Bitcoin and other people who felt that Bitcoin should have been ready to exchange all the more rapidly and efficiently. Close to this time, a supposed nationwide conflict broke out, with allies of Bitcoin Cash dismissing Bitcoin and proclaiming it to, as of now, not be the genuine Bitcoin. Then, at that point in August 2017, Bitcoin Cash was made because of a fork. It had a promising start, yet has encountered unrest from that point onward. Despite the fact that Bitcoin Cash is intended to be a more valuable cash, devotees of digital currencies regularly put resources into it. The coin's cost has the ordinary market unpredictability, yet many individuals accept its future will be more splendid and will offer more noteworthy benefit in the next long stretches of time. What is Bitcoin Cash BCH? Despite the fact that it isn't the most established, Bitcoin Cash is one of the greatest and most popular forks of the digital currency. Not long before Bitcoin accomplished its past all-time high of 21,000 toward the finish of 2017, Bitcoin Cash was created. It extended the size of the blocks in the chain to empower more exchanges to rapidly be handled more. It's fascinating to take note of that the cryptographic money split into Bitcoin Cash ABC and Bitcoin Cash SV in November 2018. Satoshi Vision. This shows an eagerness to keep Bitcoin and digital forms of money overall advancing, but BCH's forking was essentially roused by Bitcoin's 1 MB block size limitation. Since blocks couldn't oblige the expansion in size for exchanges stacked up and hung tight for affirmation. Accordingly, Bitcoin Cash proposed making blocks between 8 MB and 32 MB in size, considering the handling of additional exchanges per block. In a Bitcoin block, there are commonly somewhere in the range of 1,000 and 1,500 exchanges. 25,000 exchanges for every block were recorded on the Bitcoin Cash network during a pressure test in September 2018. The person behind this fork, Roger Ver, has been advancing the thought that Satoshi Nakamoto, who concocted Bitcoin, was liable for having a computerized money that could work under pressure. The adjustment of Bitcoin's block size, according to Ver and defenders of Bitcoin Cash, will make it feasible for clients to involve Bitcoin as a mode for normal exchanges and allow it an opportunity to contend with enormous MasterCard handling organizations like Visa that charge over-the-top expenses to deal with global exchanges. All through its most memorable year, Bitcoin Cash's cost vacillated fiercely, yet after the finish of 2018 and up until this point, the cost has been less sporadic yet essentially moving lower. In the span of 2 months of beginning its cost history in August 2017 at $573, Bitcoin Cash has hit its record-breaking high. Bitcoin Cash is presently worth $246.43. BCH has moved 226% as of now with an exchanging volume of $173,665.77. Bitcoin Cash is presently positioned 320 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $4,839.53 112 ust. Using the General Strength List ISI, Moving Weighted Normal MWA, Williams Fractal and Moving Normal Union Difference MACD from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Bitcoin Cash BCH to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Bitcoin Cash BCH market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Expectation 2023. Bitcoin Cash, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. BCH. The BCH cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $404.24. Likewise, with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $377.29 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. BCH is supposed to have a base worth of $320.39. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Bitcoin Cash BCH cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of BCH will, before long, outperform $673.73. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the BCH's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $99.4312 and BCH might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. BCH is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $862.38 and a low of $808.48 in 2025. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Forecast 2026. Assuming that Bitcoin Cash effectively helps market feeling among digital money devotees, the BCH coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, BCH will be green in 2026. The BCH is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $1,212.71, with a base cost of $1,077.97 and a typical cost of $1,131.87. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Expectation 2027. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $1,670.85. On the off chance that BCH figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $1,751.70. Neglecting to accumulate the help BCH needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1,660.95. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Expectation 2029. While BCH is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $1,886.45 and a yearly cost close above $221.19 in 2029. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Bitcoin Cash will at last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $155.94 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $290.68, averaging out at $209.84. Bitcoin Cash BCH Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should do your own exploration.